So how will Gratiola express his stools? So Gratiola will say, doctor, I have a lot of burning in the anus with the stools. I have to pass stools. There's a lot of burning. In spite I'm passing the stools or I'm not passing the stools. There is a lot of burning around the anus in the Gratiola when he is having diarrhea. So burning is important point to be noted for Gratiola. Right? Now how the stools, there's a forceful evacuation. Matlab he goes, he'll sit on the commode and he will just pass lot of flatus and stools mixed together. Right? Now how the complaint starts? It starts when he goes in hot summer, after drinking water, after having coffee, or after a lot of ego. Because Gratiola is a very haughty and egoistic remedy. And when his ego is hurt, his pathology may begin. So he will have an acute incidence ki my mother-in-law is very egoistic and she shouted me in front of everyone, doctor, and then I got diarrhea. So this has happened. So I am also very egoistic. I have my own self-respect. But how could she say this in front of everyone? Okay, and then the pathology of Gratiola will start. Stools are olive green. He will say the stools are olive green. Okay, so ailments from pride of others. Okay, so mind, they are very haughty, loquacious, and there is increased sexual desire. Third remedy is Jatropha. So remember, the stool color consistency is rice watery. Okay, it is rice watery stools with unquenchable thirst. The patient says, doctor, मेरा प्यास इतना लग रहा है जब से मुझे डायरिया शुरू हुआ, लाइफ में मैंने उतना पानी ही नहीं पिया. This is how Jatropha will express his diarrhea. सबसे important part you should remember about Jatropha is, it's bung hole diarrhea. What is bung hole? बड़े बड़े barrels होते हैं जिसमें you keep alcohol. So there's a hole in that, and when you pour alcohol from that hole, the kind of water comes out, that consistency, that pressure, that force is that kind of diarrhea. मतलब the patient will say, doctor, my child is having diarrhea. पूरे कमरे में आवाज़ उसका पेट का गुड़ 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 आ रहा है. The whole room can listen to the rumbling sound. It is such a rumbling in the abdomen. Everyone can hear that. And when he goes and sits in the stool, it's like नलका चालू किया, पानी आया. Bung hole से जैसे water is coming very smoothly. That's Jatropha. The patient is very quiet, indifferent to pain. He will not complain much. So remember, for Jatropha, rice watery stool with unquenchable thirst, along with that bung hole diarrhea. So you go today, watch a video how alcohol comes out of the bung hole, and remember there is audible rumbling sound in the room when Jatropha is having diarrhea. There is so much of gud 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 happening. Okay. Next remedy is Crotontic, same similar like Jatropha. Rumbling diarrhea, gud 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 gud. The patient will complain, doctor बहुत गुड़ गुड़ हो रहा है पेट में. Better buy warm milk. Crotontic, very important to note. The moment he is eating food, the moment he is eating water, the moment it goes into the mouth, he has to rush to the stools. And when he goes and sits in the stool, it's like आपने जोर का pressure वाला नल open किया, गुम करके the whole diarrhea is coming out. Whole stools are coming out, not much flatus. That's Crotontic. Forcible, sudden gushing stools is Crotontic. Okay, like shooting out. Jatropha is bung hole with lot of thirst, with lot of rumbling. Crotontic is shooting out. It just shoots out. And the moment he is eating, he gets a diarrhea. Zinzibur, another remedy. So Zinzibur, lot of flatus again. The patient will say, doctor, I went out, हम घूमने गए थे ऋषिकेश, हमने वहाँ पर पानी पिया, उसके बाद जब मुझे डायरिया शुरू हुआ, ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा. There is lot of flatus in my stools. So ailments from drinking impure water, ailments from having melons and bread. तो थोड़ा भी इम्प्योर वाटर पेशेंट ने पिया है, उसके बाद उसको डायरिया शुरू हुआ है जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लैटस है. थिंक ऑफ द रेमेडी जिंजीबर. द पेशेंट में ऑल्सो से डॉक्टर, the patient may come or present with kidney failure or nephritis, and he will say, doctor, he was absolutely fine 1 year back, he had a diarrhea, extreme diarrhea, we gave lot of medicines, the diarrhea was better, and then उसके urine में albumin आने लगा and creatinine raised हो गया. Think of remedy zingiber. okay, where there is a kidney affection after suppression of diarrhea. Okay, it's also very good remedy on sexual organs. There's a lot of inflammation in the anus, but the patient is very cheerful. Now, next remedy is Cornus circinata. Remember about this remedy. With diarrhea, there's a lot of sleepiness. There's affection of GIT. Along with that, his liver counts will be affected and his spleen is affected. So, if the patient will have diarrhea, especially after malaria, because he has a long history of malaria. Concomitant symptom with diarrhea is aphthous ulcer. Not every remedy will have aphthous ulcer, but Cornus will have aphthous concomitant symptom. Extreme thirst like Jatropha, fine. And there is diarrhea which is very urgent in the morning. He has to rush to the stools. There is a lot of fullness in the abdomen. He will sit on the commode, but he will not be able to pass stools. He has to put a lot of efforts. Last remedy is Elatrum. Very interesting remedy. Remember, there is a lot of frothiness in the stools of Elatrum. Watery diarrhea. Okay, squirting diarrhea. The term for Elatrum is squirting. What is squirting? Just imagine you are taking a mango and you're when we eat mango, हम mango को pressure देते हैं, right? We just mildly we churn the mango, and when the moment you open the mango and you try to remove the pulp, वो mango का जो pulp है फैल जाता है थोड़ा 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 थोड़ा. That's squirting. So that's the idea of Elatrum, it's squirting. कि doctor, I go and sit for the stools, but I squirt. I don't pass diarrhea. I just pass little pieces which spread all around in the commode. That's the diarrhea of Elatrum. Olive green, no flatus. Copious, forceful, watery, frothy, squirting stools. Concomitant of Elatrum is urticaria, which is better by rubbing. So remember, whenever you're hunting to treat diarrhea, kindly note the following points. Just don't give blindly Crotontic or Jatropha or Gambogia. In my practice, I've seen patients are getting results in hours of when I give the remedy without allopathic intervention. How precise your remedy has to be is important. What you note and how minimum remedy you give will work wonderfully for diarrhea. Okay, thank you.